Welcome in the last lesson of Miyagi course. So I want to start out with saying that thank you for taking this course. I hope it really opened your mind what is possible in with the AI, and I think it will develop very rapidly, and not just rapidly, but also accelerated way. So it means that the change will come faster and faster. Just just like when you throw something out in the window, the gravity is an acceleration. So it means that it's not just 10 meters a second, but it accelerates the speed with 10 meters a second, and it's amazing. So I think this is just the beginning of the AI, and you are at the right time. So it means that just like in compound interest, when you start out it's very small, but as soon as you um, for example, in if you have this example with the in a lake, when there is a little beginning, and as soon as it reaches the 10 to, for example, 10 to 5, and most of the half of the lake is overwhelmed with the vegetables, by the end it will be unstoppable. So I think this is we are in the beginning of the AI. So it means that in this month of 4 day three in and not in a half. So in the next 1 or 2 years you are ahead of the crowd, and you are perfect in time. This is just I want to say this one first, and secondly is that there's an implicit implicit script of our schools that if you learn this trade, you don't have to market and style. You will be set for life, and it will set itself. It is not true anymore because everyone has to be able to market and sell his services, and everyone has to become a coach. The future, the leader of the future is coach. So I think this is the way how you become a leader of the future, because you have to be able to explain and communicate what is the transformation you are selling. It's not about the stuff, it's about the transformation. And I think in the next lesson or the last lesson, I wanted to show you this leadership, the role of the leader, and I want you to be ready for this change. Okay, so I will set the yes smaller, and so the first prompt is define a good leader, define a great leader. Great leader is someone who inspires and empowers others to achieve common goals by embodying integrity, empathy, and vision. You can read this, but you can improve it, and let's see the next prompt, because it will give you a better answer. What are the main leadership styles? So of course you can use your own style, but more specifically I ask about the most commonly used leadership styles. So autocratic leadership, for example, when you see dictator or democratic leadership through consensus, decision making through consensus. Okay, this one I cannot pronounce, but the hands-off approach. Leader delegates the decision-making authority to the team. Transactional leadership. The style involves exchange between the leaders and the followers, where rewards are given for performance and adherence. Hmm. Transformational leadership. So the leader inspire and motivate their followers. Servant leadership. Servant leaders prioritize the needs of their team members above their own. Interesting. I haven't known that this one is surprised, but it makes sense. Charismatic leadership. So you might think of every charismatic leader quality not between us, but his impact is between us. So charismatic leaders possess a magnetic personality and the ability to inspire and influence others through their vision and communication skills. Very, very interesting. So this gives me a kind of basic understanding what leadership is. As you, I think leadership is one of the most important skill in the future, especially because more and more people will be able to do things, but in order to make other people coach them, facilitate the change which you want to see, it's very important to learn leadership specifically. So, I'm a new leader. What are the three biggest mistakes to avoid and the three biggest techniques to use in order to succeed? Be short and concise. So, I want to ask ChatGPT to give me ideas on how to grow in leadership. Mistakes to avoid: micromanaging, so telling people what to do, trust our team and delegate tasks effectively. Lack of communication, keep your team informed and foster open dialogue. And ignoring feedback. So this is also a mistake when not just think of it, okay, job done, but never ask feedback or never listen to feedback. Okay, these are very important mistakes. But the next thing is techniques for success. Lead by example. So I don't like this kind of leadership which lacks integrity or authenticity. So lead by example, demonstrate the qualities and behaviors you expect from others, and provide support if someone lacks something to not feeling empowered to do the action, and build relationship. Invest in building trust and rapport. These are very, very good points. Finally, I asked GPT, I want to be outstanding coach and leader. Please list five suggestions to which I should pay attention. It's not grammatically correct, but I think it will understand. If not, it will change. So, develop empathy, effective communication, master the art of clear, open, and honest communication. Listen actively to the team members and provide constructive feedback, and ensure that everyone understands expectations and goals. This is amazing. And continuous learning, focus on the strengths. So if you recognize that someone is weak in something, then don't delegate that. But if you find someone is strong in something, then of course capitalize on this one. So create a supportive environment. I think this is very important not to punish people for honesty. For example, this way you can create a radically honest environment and everyone can contribute and feedback and grow. So I just wanted to review this one, and in the next course, as I mentioned, you will learn how to automate entire value creation. So you attract the right people and repel those who you don't want to serve, and you will connect through content, and you become the trusted advisor. This is very important. So this is very important to create the right content and also to automate so you don't waste your time on this one, but it's better in quality and faster in speed. This is the aim of the next course, and the course after. I'm super excited about this one because it's especially about video creation. So not just how to fasten the entire process, but also and make it very cheap and very effective, but also how to make it better quality and faster at the same time from ground up. You can clone your voice, you can automate script writing, screen recording, not screen recording, but the entire video creation and generation with AI. And it's a very fascinating topic. Also, it will include how to rank video high. So it's not just enough to prepare video, but also to market it well. For example, YouTube, so how to attract new and new eyeballs to the video, and then new subscribers, gain trust, and build authority and trust so you can later share them. So I want to thank you again to taking the Miyagi course. This is the Miyagi course. This is the basic foundations of prompt engineering. So these are the steps which you need to go through, and intentionally short videos. And below the videos, you will always find the prompts which I give, and later you can build on this knowledge in order to use AI in your life and in your marketing. So thank you again for taking this course, and I hope you take the next course, which will be about more amazing topics than this one. But I wanted to get this right before we got into this one, because without this knowledge, it will only be copy-pasting. But I don't want that. I want you to have basic knowledge, and I think this course will really open your mindset if you use it well. So hope to see you in the next course, and stay amazing. Thank you again for taking this course.